I just did an unboxing of this. It was full of packing peanuts. I hate packing peanuts. You know, those styrofoam things. I don't care if they're water soluble, eco-friendly. They're a goddamn nuisance. I'm sorry to cuss. They didn't do any good at all. Look at this. Look at the box. You know, I appreciate Memphis Equipment doing their work and making new water pumps for the GM 270. But look, this is a fail. Now the price is reasonable at $125 because they are tough to find. Airtex used to make this water pump, but the spindle was sticking out of this hole. You know, do I trust this water pump now? After it's been beat up in shipping? We all know the shippers don't give a flip. I mean, look. Where did this thing come from? Look at the inside of the box. I don't normally rant about stuff, but this is a fail. This thing got rattled around just like Jim Carrey did in, I can't remember the name of the movie, The Cable Guy. This is ridiculous. I'm going to be sending this video to Memphis Equipment because whoever's rebuilding these is doing them a disservice. I mean, even the bag is all chewed up. You know, how long will this water pump last? Let me pull it out of the bag. Hey, it's excellent quality. You know, good casting, good seal. James over there at Low Buck Garage got one of these for his CCKW boom truck. I wonder if his boxes that it was delivered in arrived looking like it got rolled down Mount Everest. Alright, sorry for the rant. It just, come on. Western, see, now I can't even think. Memphis Equipment, do better, because this ain't it.